Alright, welcome back. Okay, let's do some arm exercises. And basically, what we're going to start with this one. You put the pole at your side, bring it up and out. And just kind of roll it back in. I'll just show you one more time. Up, out, and roll it back in. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Let's go to the other hand. Out and roll around. Come back in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, this one, we're going to start above your head. You can't see it, so just put it above your head. And it's going to come down real slow. Really slow. Okay, ready? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, very good. Let's do the other side. Pull it in the air, real slow. Slower than I'm going, actually, if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, let's put the pole behind your neck. And basically what we're going to do is saw your head off. So you're going to go all the way out and all the way in. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. All right, let's switch hands. On your head. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay. What we're going to do now is the arch. Let me see if I can do that. Let's pull out here like this and just bring it around. Okay, we're going to start with the right hand. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Also with this one, you really want to do it good when you bring it up. When you bring it down, just bring it down really slow. Okay? Slower the better. But for this purposes, we're just going to do it normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, let's do some paddling. Put your hand at the top, hand in the middle, and just pull forward. What you're going to do is bend your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, let's do the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay. These next 3 I want you to do with your arm, your whole arm, not your wrist. Try not to use your wrist at all. Okay, put your pole out here like this. So, right in front of you, and just twist it just a little bit. Use your arm, not your wrist. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, very good. Go to the other hand. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, very good. This time I want you to put your hand all the way out to your side, and we're going to do a boat propeller. Basically the same thing. Watch that lamp. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Let's go to the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right. You won't be able to see this one on the video, but basically the same thing as you put your pole hand in front of you, you're going to put it above you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, very good. The other hand, straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, let's do some rowing. Basically, you're going to put the pole all the way out the end. Just kind of go like, okay. Put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, very good. All right. This one is called rowing. Just kind of twist your arms and body like this. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Excellent. All right. We completed 9 exercises. I hope you continue doing these every single day. And I'll see you on my next video. I hope you have been sharing this with your friends. I hope you've been thinking about starting a group where you can be the leader and have all your friends together, exercising and getting healthier together. Okay, so please subscribe, ring the bell, and please give me a thumbs up. And go to eBay, Polls Work for Seniors, get your poll, and I'll send it out to you tomorrow. Thank you.